Welcome to my Japan vlog day 3. Today, we are going to Kumamoto. Ito ang train namin for today at ito naman siya sa loob. Kumamoto is just 34 minutes away from Hakata Station by train. After nga 34 minutes, andito na kami sa Kumamoto Station. Just like what we did in Nagasaki, dumaan kami sa Tourist Information Center para mag-avail ng Tourist Day Pass which gives us unlimited tram rides. Ganyan yung Day Pass nila guys, scratch card siya. I-scratch mo yung current year, month, and day and valid lang siya on the day na ini-scratch mo. Inside Kumamoto Station, may mga pasalubong stalls and food stalls so I decided to check them out. At naspatan ko nga tong seller ng Ikinari Dango which is one of the signature snacks ng Kumamoto. And na-excite ako na itry siya kasi palagi ko tong nakikita sa mga YouTube vlogs. We are here at Kumamoto Station. So ito matcha, ito hindi alam nung tindera kung ano eh. Ay hindi niya alam kung sagutin in English. Ito rin. Ito lang ang natanong ko matcha. So akin na lang itong matcha. Feeling ko red bean yung isa dyan. Hindi pala siya matcha. May kamote sa loob, yung sweet potato. Sabi ko, it is matcha, sabi niya yes. Ah okay, alam ko na. Lahat sila kamote yung laman. Hindi ano yan, red bean paste. So lahat sila may kamote pero yung sa akin matcha yung pinaka-mochi. Parang may matcha din na paste. Ang sarap pero medyo matigas to na version. Parang mas gusto kong mochi yung sticky na malambot. After namin i-taste test ang Ikinari Dango, sumakay na kami sa tram going to our first stop, ang Kumamoto Castle. Kumamoto Castle is a hilltop castle, kaya naman going there is quite a walk. So make sure you are wearing your most comfortable shoes. Buti na lang, favorable ang weather today. Kumamoto Castle has a long history dating back to 1467. Sobrang historical at sobrang educational ng place na to. The castle has 6 floors. The topmost floor is an observation deck. Sulit na sulit ang 640 yen mo dito. Not too far away from Kumamoto Castle is the Sakura no Baba Josaien or Josaien Kumamoto Castle Town. It's like replica of an old Japanese village pero mga food stalls, restaurants at souvenir shops ang makikita mo dito. If coming from Kumamoto Castle, sa back entrance ang daan mo going here. Pero ito ang itsura ng main entrance. We decided to have lunch at a cafe na may western influence. Tatlo lang ang food items nila sa menu nila. So, tatlo lang yung food nila. Ito lang, ito lang. And then, coffee and drinks na. So, ako at tatay ko, we had coffee. I had sandwich with pumpkin soup. Ang nanay ko naman nag-Salisbury steak. And tatay ko naman had beef Japanese curry. Nag-enjoy ako sa sandwich ko. Tinikman ko yung curry ng tatay ko. Masarap siya for me. Hindi ko lang nagustuhan yung Salisbury steak ng nanay ko. Overall, nag-enjoy pa rin naman kami. Pagkatapos namin kumain, in-explore pa namin yung lugar to see what else we can eat. And nakita nga namin tong store na to that sells everything matcha and they also sell gelato. So, we're having gelato for dessert. Ang sarap. I'm having the 3%. 3% of what? 3% matcha. So, merong 1% mild, 3% medium, 5% strong. I chose 3%. Ang sarap niya.
Oh, yan din.
Ang sarap. Ang kaso ang tamis niyan. Ito, hindi masyadong matamis. Hindi sila fan ng matcha. Ako lang ang sobrang fan ng matcha. Baka lang nagtataka kayo bakit kami lang ng nanay ko ang naggelato. Ayaw ng tatay ko kasi natatakot siya baka mag-alboroto daw yung tiyan niya. Alam nyo ba na habang ina-enjoy namin ng gelato while vlogging, we were interrupted by the store owner. Philippines.
Oh, Philippines. Thank you. You are influencer?
Oh, no, not really. This is just my hobby.
Oh, really?
So ayun nga, napagkamalan tayong influencer guys. At kahit na sinabi kong hindi, maya-maya tinawag niya ako for a free tea tasting. Pinakita niya and in-explain niya sa akin yung iba't ibang tea na meron siya. Brown rice only, no matcha? Does it have matcha?
Already three together. Green tea, brown rice,
And matcha. Ah, okay. Ang sarap.
Oishi.
Oishi.
Thank you.
It's healthy, right?
Yeah, healthy. Looks good.
It's good. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Hi, arigatou gozaimasu.
After sa tea shop na yon, gusto ko talaga puntahan ang stall na to. Palagi kong nakikita ang store na to, pati na rin yung store owner niya sa mga YouTube videos. Kaya naman, gusto ko talaga siyang itry. 1 pack.
Okay. And inside the sweet potato on the bean.
Yeah.
Kumamoto specialty, ikinari tango.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now eat potato.
Yes. Hotel.
Potato.
He also sells ikinari dango tulad ng kinain namin kanina sa Kumamoto Station. Paglabas ni Tatang, nabetan niya ata si Mother kaya tinawag niya para bigyan ng freebie.
Your mommy.
Yeah.
Come on.
May free.
Okay.
Free taste.
Inside the sweet potato. これはホワイトビーン。
A white bean.
White beans.
あと all black bean.
Okay.
これですね。はい。hot.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Bibinigyan niya kami ng tawad na isa.
With white beans and sweet potato inside.
Mas masarap to kaysa dun sa nasa
Station.
Kumamoto Station. Mas fresh and mas malambot.
Whiskey.
Oishi. Meron doon maliit na shrine, dumaan lang kami saglit before we headed to our next destination, which is Sunroad Shinchigai. It's a covered 18-meter wide arcade that stretches for a total of 235 meters. Established in 1903, Sunroad Shinchigai was the first downtown shopping area in Kumamoto. It's the same concept nung shopping street na pinuntahan namin sa Nagasaki, but this one is much bigger and wider. Pero we noticed na medyo pricey mga damit dito, pero madami din akong nakitang murang shoes but mostly limited stocks and sizes. Bumalik na kami sa Kumamoto Station para magbiyahe na pabalik sa Fukuoka. Pagbalik sa Hakata Station, we explored yung other parts ng labas ng Hakata Station, and here we discovered na meron din pala hilera ng mga restaurants and mga inuman outside Hakata Station. We decided to eat at this resto bar na wide yung options sa food. We had salad na may sashimi. Ang sarap nito, ang sarap ng vinaigrette niya. Tapos pork barbecue na walang marinade, pero ang sarap niya as in salt and pepper lang siya pero masarap. Fried chicken wings na simple lang itsura pero ang sarap din niya. We also had gyoza. I can't remember kung 2 or 3 plates ng gyoza yung in-order ko dahil ang liliit, so umorder ako ng madami. And lastly, we had ebi tempura. Ito ata yung kain namin during this trip na we had fiesta talaga. Ang daming food, guys, and medyo mahina nang kumain yung parents ko. Anyway, that concluded our day 3 here sa Japan. Sa susunod na vlog, out of town pa rin tayo, guys. Samahan nyo kami as we explore the onsen capital of Japan, the town called Beppu. See you sa next vlog. Bye!